Like I already discussed it or mentioned it in the court. She was making use of data. It's like you get into your motor car and you drive from here to Cape Town. The engine is idling the whole time. You're not switching it off. I can't tell you which gear you're using or what. She was using data. You can see here she was active on her phone.
That's where I am. I'm still coming to that. Don't confuse yourself. I'm saying the exhibit that we have submitted before this court does not have the two transactions we have testified about. No,
Sorry, can you mention that fact again?
That I make an error, I didn't include the 2-hour rule.
Yes, I am saying, Colonel, after receiving the downloads, then now we compare the downloads with the record from the cell phone, from the service provider's record, section 205. We want to see if this record that was picked up by the download, if it's also confirmed by the Vodacom. Remember, the person who is the custodian of cell phone records is the service provider.
But like I already mentioned a lot of times, your section 205 won't mention that you receive on the download.
But the point I'm trying to display in this trial is that there is contradictory information evidence which has been placed before this court. It's your statement reflecting the other number. It's Vodacom evidence reflecting other numbers.
No, I can't agree with you. Like I already mentioned to the court last week, I only work on the statements I receive. So if I receive a statement which they mention a number in, that's the number I receive. That's the number I come and produce in the court.
It's clear that this number, 202, is not coming from the downloads. It's coming from you added that information to fabricate the evidence as if the number belonging to Mr. Ntuli made a call to the number belonging to Ms. Katie Khumalo. It's a wrong information. It's a fabrication. You're coming again to this court to fabricate further and further.
My Lord, if we come and say fabrication, I think it's just a tactic to mislead myself and the court.